Hi friends, this is Galen Martling. I'm back sharing Unity Stamp Company stamps and dies, and I'm going to show a card it's an A2 size card with square layers on it, including a sentiment. So I started with the Unity stamp. It's beautiful. It's a snow globe. It's called Christmas Wishin', and I have square dies by Unity. They're called Scallops and Squares nesting dies. The sentiment is with Greetings of the Season die set, all by Unity. And so I'm combining all of these to make a framed card using square dies and also accenting color with Copic markers. So I list the Copic markers here and I list them on my blog. And so you just go ahead and start with a few shades of each color family that you're going to use for your coloring. So I decided this card is going to have blue shades. So I have like 3 or 4 different shades of blue there that I picked, and some green shades and gray. Now I don't use all of them, but I have them laying here in case I want to grab another. So I just sort of put out what I think I'll use, and then just pick from there, and I just put it aside so I know which ones to list for you here on the channel. And so I colored this base to look like maybe a silver base. I wanted some sort of a sheen or sheer or a lighter effect, so I left the front much more lighter than the sides, kind of mimicking shine, if you will. Well, that's the best I can do on that one. So for the coloring of the snow globe, I added a touch of green, a couple of green shades there, and I move on to accent the snow a little bit as well, and the the top part of the where you see snow falling. And so the tree, I just decorated however I wanted. I just decided to keep with the blue theme there and add some blue ornaments. Then I thought it needed something brighter, so I did add some yellow with the star and the gifts. And then you just go ahead and you color how you like. If you're going to use Copics, remember to stamp with Copic friendly ink. I found some hybrid inks that work really good with both watercolor and with Copic markers, and also some other inks that you might find, like our archival ink works good too with Copics and with watercolor. So those are my go-to inks. Different brands have those kinds, so it's up to you what kind you want. I do list links where I find my products here if you want to. They are affiliate links. So now I go ahead and accent. Believe it or not, I add a little bit of gray to the snow, just especially at the top and the bottom areas, and then I blend that in with a colorless blender to just give a little softness to the snow scene. And I have a very light shade of blue that I'm adding touches of blue around that water area for the snow globe. It's not really solid and not meant to be solid. I just wanted some touches of the blue. And then I go in with the zero marker to blend out some of that as well. Okay, so that is die cut using one of the square dies, and then I cut a blue panel to frame that. So those are all done with the same square die set. Now I'm adding the sentiment layers. The sentiments have a background die cut as well that you can put those sentiments right on there, and in any color combination you like. I'm again matching the blue theme, blue and white, so I kept that simple and kept the same colors. I'm using a red tape this time. It is a foam tape. It's a bit thinner. It's better for mailing. I sometimes grab this. You need a tweezer maybe, or something to help get that back film off. It is a little tough to get off, but I like to use it. Sometimes I alternate it between my white foam tape and then the red foam tape. I have a link to that as well. So you go ahead and you peel off the backing when you're all finished putting the adhesive on, And then you start layering the card right onto the card front there. And so the sentiment I wanted to just be to break up that panel a little and stuck it in on the top. And with added gems, it's almost finished. It is very easy and simple to do. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like and share if you will. Thanks for watching and have a great day.